Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the exact clip you want to affect and importing any overlays or LUTs. You're doing the most important setup now. Once uploaded, trim to your in and out points so the effect applies only where needed, and make sure your assets match resolution and frame rate. You should label layers clearly. That saves time later. This first step sets a clean timeline, so you won't chase errors when you add complex effects down the line. Now you add the effect. Drag the chosen filter or overlay onto the trimmed clip and position it precisely. You'll tweak intensity and blend mode to match the shot, then use keyframes to animate changes over time. This is why you labeled layers. Once done, scrub and preview at slower speed to verify transitions and motion. If color shifts look off, adjust LUT strength and white balance. It's normal to iterate until the visual rhythm matches the audio and pacing. Finish by exporting with the same codec and resolution you started with so you preserve quality. You want a clean master. Upload the file and verify audio sync, color consistency, and compression artifacts in a 1080p or 4K playback test. If something goes wrong, like banding, stuttering, or misplaced keyframes, reopen the project, revert the problematic clip to the original, and reduce effect strength or simplify keyframes. One troubleshooting trick: render a short test clip to iterate quickly without long exports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.